Hi student. Student, in today's video, I am going to teach you a wonderful poem. Poem number 2.5. Name of our poem is The Silver House. And student, this poem is written by John Lee. Now see student, we all know that some poems that is about the nature, okay? That in that poems there is a description about the nature, living and non-living things. Okay, now see student, today also we are going to see about this poem. This poem is about the moon. Okay, how the poet do imagination about the moon and consider as a silver house that we will see in this poem. First student, I read this poem and again I explain that. Okay, see now student, if you see this picture, can you see? Yes. Okay, if you see this picture, in this picture we can see the among there are the clouds that are situated in the sky. There are the many stars, and among the clouds and stars there is a moon, and it is the poet told, yes, said to the moon a silver house. Now see student, there is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and to pull it down. There is a man who lives in a silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. Yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed because of course the poor man won't be there. Now see student, if you see the first stanza that tell us, now again I read then explain. There is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and to pull it down. Now see student, there is a silver house in the lovely sky. The poet tells us in this poem, in first stanza, there is a silver house in the lovely sky. There is a lovely sky, and in that lovely sky, what the poet see a silver house. Student, if you see that moons that look like a silver house to poet. Now see, as round as a silver crown, and it is, if you see that moon's shape, it is in a circle, a round shape. Okay, and it look like a silver crown. Now see students, silver crown means, here is meaning given that a silver coin that was used in England in the past. Crown, a silver coin that is used in England in the past, means student, in lovely sky there is a silver house and it look like a silver crown. Okay, now see student, it takes 2 weeks to build it up and to pull it down. Means what student, if you see about the moon, you have also studied about moon's phases. Okay, about the full moon day, new moon day. Yes student, in our EVS one, okay, as well as geography subject. Now see student, if you see there are the two parts position, we can call it the moons, that comes after the 15 days. If you see student, that is a full moon day, means in this situation we can see entire portion of the moon, means we can see whole moon on which time, full moon day time. Okay, and that's why the poet told us it takes time to build it up. How many times student? 2 weeks. 2 weeks means and that's why the poet told us, okay, it takes the 2 weeks to build it up. Means new moon day, full moon day there is. Because of that we can see the entire moon, and to it pull down means we can't see on a new moon day, we can't see the moon. That's why it is called that is a pull it down. Understood, student? Now see, there is a man who lives in a silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. Now see, student, the poet tell in second stanza, there is a man who lives in silver house. Now see, student, in first stanza he told us there is a silver house in a lovely sky. It is a round and look like a silver coin, yeah, crown. Okay. Now it takes the 2 weeks to build it up, and also takes the 2 weeks to pull it down. Now he is telling us in that silver house there is a man. Okay, yes, lives in lonely sort of way. Lonely means alone. He lives in that silver house, but no one knows about his name, and also no one likes to say. Anyone don't know about his name, that man who lives in the silver house, and also no one like to say, and also what do you say? No anyone like to say also his name. Now next stanza that tell us, yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon. This lonely man to find. Now see, student, in third stanza the poet tell us, yet when you go to bed tonight. Student, if I ask you, when we all see moon in the sky, yes, at night time. That's why the poet said us, when you go to bedtime tonight, that time just draw the window blind. We have to open our windows blind. Window blind means, student, what? A protective covering for the window. We can call it the protective cover of window. Window blinds means, understood? Okay. We have to open the window blind and peep out a silver moon, and we have to see the moon. That is the look at the night like a silver. Okay. Now see, this lonely man to find. When you open your window blind at the bedtime, that time we can see the lonely moon, silver moon, and in that silver moon we can see the lonely man. Okay. Next stanza tell us, but if his house is taken down and all sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. Now see, student, but if his house is taken down. Now see, student, the poet tell us, if his house is taken down, which means there is a situation of new moon day. In that time we can't see moon. Okay, yes, student, taken down, pull it down. That time we can't see the sky properly. That's why the poet said us, all sky is bare. Okay, we can't see any means like the what do you say? Small, we can't see cloud also, that moon, because of the moon. If in the sky there is no moon, we can't see properly that all the things. Okay, that's why the poet said us, all the sky is bare. Okay, to go to bed, but because of course, now see, student, the poet tell us, if there is no silver house, you can't see the silver moon. That time you have to go to bed, because the poor man won't be there. Means, because if there is no silver house, the poor man won't be there. We can't see the poor man because there is no silver house, because there is no silver moon in the house, and that's why that sky looks very bare. Understood, student? Okay, silver house means the moon, and how it looks like the crown. Okay, and how many time it takes to build it up, how many times it takes to pull it down, as well as there is a man who lives in a silver house and lonely sort of way. No anyone don't know about his name, and no one likes to say. Okay, when we go to bed tonight, that time we have, if we want to see the silver moon, that time we have to open the window blind, and then we can see the man. Okay, if there is no silver house in the sky, it pull it down, that time the sky is bare, and that when the sky is bare, that time we have to go to bed. Okay, understood student? Because the poor man won't be there. Okay student, in this way we have studied about the silver house. I hope you understood about this poem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.